Are you tempted to shop at Pierce & Porter after seeing their ads for luxurious cashmere sweaters, stylish coats, and elegant dresses at surprisingly low prices? Before you click that Buy Now button, take a moment because what I uncovered about this site might change your mind. PierceandPorter.com claims to offer high-end fashion for men and women, but when you look deeper, the site raises multiple red flags that make it hard to trust. For starters, many of the product images appear to be stolen from other websites, which suggests the products shown may not actually be what you receive or may not exist at all. That alone is a major warning sign. Then there's the lack of transparency. The website provides no real contact information, such as a phone number, physical address, or even a working customer support email. If something goes wrong with your order, who are you supposed to reach out to? Things get more suspicious when you check the domain details. Pierceandporter.com is very new, and these kinds of recently launched sites are often used for short-term scams that vanish once they've collected enough orders. Even more concerning is the complete absence of information about who owns or operates the business, making accountability nearly impossible. Lastly, the reviews shown on the website feel too good to be true. They're vague, overly positive, and look like they were written just to build false credibility. While I didn't find any proof that it's outright a scam, there's certainly not enough here to confidently recommend it either. With so many unanswered questions and red flags, it's hard to see Pierce & Porter as a store worth trusting.